THOS Haircare, your number one for ultimate hydration and moisture. Follow our 3-step system for hydration, moisture, repair and replenishment. Let's see those follicles grow that hair back nice, strong and healthy. Here's step 1. Hydrate. Use magic water to hydrate your hair, your skin, your face and your locks. Step 2. Moisturize and repair. Let's renew and regrow hair with lock butter. Step 3. Seal, sheen and protect. Protect and hold in that moisture you've just created with the Trilogy. Instantly hydrate with sweet orange, aloe vera leaf and chamomile. Instantly moisturize with coconut oil, shea butter and aloe vera, and protecting sheen with rice bran. The Trilogy. Moisturize, sheen and protect.